In this video we will learn about health insurance. Health insurance plays a vital role in safeguarding individuals and families against the financial burdens associated with medical expenses. With the rising costs of healthcare, having a solid health insurance plan has become increasingly important. Definition and purpose of health insurance. Health insurance is a contractual agreement between an individual and an insurance provider that offers financial protection against the costs of medical treatments and services. The purpose of health insurance is to minimize the out-of-pocket policyholders for healthcare-related needs. It acts as a risk management tool, spreading the financial risk among a large pool of insured individuals. Types of health insurance plans. 350 words. A. Employer-sponsored health insurance. Preferred provider organization PO. Health maintenance organization HMO. Exclusive provider organization EPO. Point of service POS. Government-sponsored health insurance. Medicare, Medicaid, Children's Health Insurance Program CHIP. Veterans Health Administration VA, C. Individual and Family Health Insurance. Affordable Care Act ACA Marketplace Plans. Short-term health insurance. Catastrophic health insurance. Benefits of health insurance. A. Financial protection. Coverage for medical expenses. Prescription drug coverage. Hospitalization expenses. Preventive services. Access to a network of healthcare providers. Primary care physicians, specialists, hospitals and clinics. Preventive care and wellness services. Vaccinations and screenings. Health checkups. Health promotion programs. Peace of mind and reduced stress. Security against unexpected medical expenses. Assurance of timely and quality healthcare. Challenges and considerations. A. Rising healthcare costs. Premiums, deductibles, co-payments and co-insurance. Limited coverage and network restrictions. Out-of-network providers. Prior authorization. Pre-existing conditions and waiting periods. Complex terminology and policies. Administrative hassles and paperwork. Conclusion. Health insurance is a vital tool that provides financial protection and access to quality. Understanding the different types of health insurance plans, their benefits, and the challenges they present is crucial for individuals and families in making informed decisions. While health insurance offers numerous advantages, it is important to consider factors such as rising healthcare costs, limited coverage, and administrative complexities. Reviewing and comparing health insurance options can help individuals ensure they have appropriate coverage tailored to their needs. By staying informed and proactive, individuals can navigate the healthcare system more effectively and secure their well-being in the face of medical uncertainty.